Welcome to ICT week 13 Friday's class. Well, not much participation from you guys this week. Maybe everybody's busy. Maybe those students who just participated already. Maybe you are too busy with other classes, and maybe those who didn't participate yet, maybe just you gave up on it. I'm not sure, but anyway, so I had no questions this week. So anyway, so I want to continue from last time today with the Python programming. Today gonna be the last one, that last lecture on the Python. So next week I'm gonna be kind of go back to the beginning with Sigwin and the kind of review everything. So for the final exam. Okay, so the final exam, the format can be a similar format, multiple choice questions, but pretty much everything we did with Sigwin and the Python programming. So anyway, as far as the exam topics are concerned, that's gonna be it. So today I'm gonna just kind of extend from the last time to quickly review what we did last time. We calculated the average length of a title using this function. Using Python, calculate the average length of title. The function we used is the len, len, and that will calculate the length of a title and the basically length of characters in a line. So when we read the line by line, okay, so for line we're gonna use this len. Now, which means that if it's a title, so if it's a title, then we're gonna find the line, and then not only that, we're gonna append to a length. Okay, so there are two ways that we're gonna do this. So this will actually keep track of all the lengths. Okay, so we have this new list called the lengths with S, and this list as all the lengths. Okay, and then what we do is we have a couple of choices. Another thing is we keep track of this A, which is a basically number of all the records, basically. Okay, number of records. So A is the number of records. So A will calculate the number of records, and so what that means is we can add everything together using this the numpy's sum function of length. So we add everything up into the total. Okay, so at the end, the total, and then we can divide by number of records. So I hope you do. I hope you try these type of problems. unless you do them, you're not gonna, it's helpful. You cannot just look at by your eyes, and yes, you can do that, but your mind kind of have to think through these stuff. You actually have to kind of not look at it and try to write the program, So besides the homework, maybe you actually have to try this. So don't look at the code, try to solve this problem. Okay. So now, now this was one approach. Another approach was, okay, well, why not just use NumPy's the mean function, right? So they had the function for calculating the mean. So instead of dividing by number of vectors, we could just solve it by using the mean function. So I'm gonna kind of extend this program. This is just length. That's good. So I want to do a couple of things today. That's just one thing, basically. So I want to, I want to come up with a program that separates based on two criteria. Since we did like a single author, the number of authors, team size. So I want to do this. I want to divide the authors by two groups. Okay, single author or multiple authors. Okay, so I'm gonna further divide by two groups. Single author, multiple authors. Single author means just one author of a title. One author. The paper is written by one author. Multiple author means two or more, right? Two or more. So, and then what I want to do is I want to calculate whether I want to calculate the length of the title. Same thing here. So I want to calculate the length for the single author. I want to calculate the length of title for the multiple authors, and then I want to compare these two guys. Okay, make a comparison. So I want to find out the best way to do is take the mean, right? So average again, apply the mean. So let's write the problem down again. So our task is calculate the length of the title based on two types of team size, okay, which is the single and B is multiple. So that's basically our task.